All right, so we're going to do some extract point features. So I'm going to start with some polls and some signs. So what I'm looking at here, so I have the 3D view up top, and then I have the panoramic view on the bottom. So you see we've got imagery and then point cloud on top of it. So that allows us just to grab the point cloud instead of just having imagery. Then we'd have to do triangulation. So this is kind of a split view, and these are synchronized together. So wherever I move in the actual panorama is going to correlate to my point cloud up here. And then these represent the stations. So I can either hop through stations this way, or I can select a view to actually go to. So what I'm going to do here, so there's my views, and then I went under my point cloud to my extract point feature. And then extraction type, poles, signs, trees, things like that. You can do this either manual or automatic. So what this is going to do, and you can see down here, so I don't have any attributes listed for you guys, but we could, if we had attributes for the diameter, the height, the inclination direction, maybe it's a snapshot of a stop sign, whatever. I just don't have any of those attributes, so they are not going to be mapped. Otherwise, I can grab all that information from the point cloud itself, but I do not have those mapped for you guys. So I guess I need to look up signs. Billboard. Okay, I'm just going to use sign. It's just a generic, speed sign, stop sign. Not really the point of this. So grab my sign, starting with my point ID, and then so I'm grabbing the center of that, and then I'm extracting the sign. So extracting the sign, it would, if we had the attributes mapped, it would map those, but it's basically I'm going to get the center of that. You see the height, it'll have a diameter. So when I hit add here, proceed with that mapping, because I'm not mapping the attributes. And then you can see, 1012 is a sign. I'll do one more. And again, you can also do this automatic. I probably should have turned off all my regions except what I'm looking at. That's probably why it's taken so long here. So I already have a layer for poles and signs. And that one, proceed with that mapping. Let me do that. Let's just do poles and signs. Light pole luminaire. That's what we're going with. Okay, so we're going to do a light pole, lighting luminaire pole. Extract the pole. Again, it's not going to map any of these attributes. We're going to add that, proceed without mapping. I'll do one more. Got a pole back here. And I could always classify my entire point cloud and do automatic, and then come in and QA and QC the results, just showing you the manual way. Because say I have extracted a couple of point features. Actually, I'm going to close out of here. I wanted to show you the results here. So got a sign there. I did another sign. Okay, I'm going to turn off my point cloud just so you guys can see see the results. So I have my two signs here, and then my luminaire poles. Again, it'd be hard to tell that this is not, this position wasn't taken with a total stationary GPS. So that's about it for this section.